Looking for a vegetable chopper without spending a fortune? Well, I do all the research so you don't have to. Here are the 5 best vegetable choppers under $25, ranked. Number 5 is the Yushin 12-in-1 Vegetable Chopper. This budget-friendly gem gives you 12 functions for just $12, including 7 interchangeable blades and a hand protector for safety. Just remember, it's hand wash only. Coming in at number 4, we have the OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. This $22 pump-action chopper is fantastic for herbs, nuts, and smaller jobs, offering that trusted OXO quality. It does have a smaller capacity than some other choppers, though. Our number 3 pick is the classic Vidalia Chop Wizard. For $24, this, as seen on TV, favorite keeps your hands safe from the blades and comes with a handy cleaning tool. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and boasts over 21,000 reviews. At number 2, we have the Mueller Chopper and Mandolin Slicer. This $21 set offers 6 blades for chopping, slicing, julienning, and grating, bringing restaurant-grade quality to your kitchen since 2013. It's also dishwasher safe and has fantastic customer support. And our top pick, number 1, is the Full-Star Pro Original Vegetable Chopper. This $23 TikTok viral favorite dices a whole 5-cup batch in about 30 seconds. It's also dishwasher safe and has over 128,000 reviews. So there you have it, the best vegetable choppers under $25. The Full-Star Pro Original takes our top spot for its viral popularity and speedy dicing. Links to all 5 are in the description. Thanks for watching.